Lesson 8. Beginning of Settled
Lesson 8. Beginning of Settled Life.
Domesticated animals like the
Domesticated animal like the
dog, goat, sheep,
goat, sheep,
cattle, buffalo
cattle, buffalo
are useful to man in
are useful to man
many ways.
in many ways.
There are three main steps in
There are three main steps in
the domestication of
the domestication
a species of
of the species of
any animal.
any animal.
First one, capture
First one, capture of the wild animal.
of the wild animal. Second one, taming the captured animals, that means training them to live with humans. And third,
Second, taming the captured animal, that is training them to live with human. Third point,
obtaining useful materials
obtaining useful materials like milk, etc. from them and training them to work for human as beasts of burden.
like milk, etc., from them and training them to work for humans as beast of burden. When the third step is achieved, the animal is supposed to be
When the third step is achieved, animal supposed to be
completely
completely domesticated.
Domesticating animals
Domesticating animal is
and keeping them for our
and keeping them for our use
use is animal
is animal husbandry.
husbandry. We have already seen that the
We have already seen the
dog was domesticated
domesticated
in the Middle Stone Age.
in the Middle Stone Age.
Dogs were used to help
Dogs were used to help
with hunting,
with hunting and
and the goat and sheep were
and the goat and
domesticated
sheep
next.
were domesticated next.
Then agriculture.
Then agriculture.
Archaeological
Archaeological evidence
evidence is available to show that agriculture first began about 11,000 years ago
11,000 years ago
in Israel and Iraq.
in Iraq.
Women are credited to have started cultivation.